viewers. Today I want to show you how to design a strap footing, a combined strap footing using Excel spreadsheets. So a strap footing is type of footing constructed to connect the eccentrically loaded footing to the interior column footing. So it is more common in building, as we have constructed building up to the boundary wall, so we cannot place our foundation to someone else's land. Therefore, the column has to be placed at the edge of the footing. This creates eccentricity. To overcome this issue, a strap footing foundation is constructed, and the induced bending and shear due to the eccentric load will be transferred to the interior column through the strap beam. So if you have this spreadsheet, you can be able to design a strap footing. You just need to fill your values here: the grade of concrete, the grade of steel, the unit weight of concrete, the unit weight of soil, and the surcharge in kilopascal. So the depth of our footing, so we can assume it to be 500. So this one is safe, or 450. We can try to be economical. So that one is not safe, so 500. And our strap is on the property line, so it is 0 meters from the property line. The spacing between our columns can be 8, so it means we have to increase the depth to 650. So you can see this one is now safe. The values, the columns can be 200 by 400, so we'll have to increase the depth. This one can be 250 by 400, or even 200 by 400. So you select the bar size we want to use. That is for our strap. You can change it to 12. So bar size 12. The concrete cover of 50. This is for our footing. We prefer to use 12, so it is still safe. So you can see the calculations, the reinforcement detail of the combined strap footing. So from our calculation, you can see that diameter of 16 millimeter is okay. So you can just fill in the data here. Let's say 12, or let's just remove this one. So you just need to fill in your data, and you will have the calculations. If, for instance, I change my concrete grade to 20, so you can see, so we have to use class 25. So there are various reasons why we have to construct a strap beam, including when type of foundation considered as combined or shallow, when we are having a shallow foundation, or if there is no strap beam connected to the solid load at the edge of footing, the pressure distribution under the foundation will not be uniform. So to make our pressure distribution uniform, to prevent bearing failure if allowed bearing capacity is exceeded, and to make sure that stress concentration at the part of footing is not higher, does not lead to higher settlement in the footing, as the whole area of strap foundation is not effective. So those are the reasons why we need a strap footing, and you can download these spreadsheets. I will include a link with this RA where you can download these spreadsheets. So you can see our spreadsheet is right here. So that will be it for this video. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in another video.